to Kids Going to Be. I am going to draw today pressure. Hey, Jerry. Hey, John. Long days later, I'm drawing again. Oh, yeah, what happened, John? I was sick. Oh, sorry to hear that. It's okay, I'm fine now. And today, I'm drawing a parachute. Oh, yeah, lovely parachute. I like it very much. Thank you. Here is the belt and that is you. Oh, funny. That is me. That is not me. That is you. Oh, no. That is Jerry. But you are using a boy, so that is John, not Jerry. Oh, yes, exactly. And yeah, so that is my picture. I'm here. And here is my pant. Here's some drawing. And that is the color. Do you know what color it is? I know that. You were using pink color. Yes, that is pink. And that is also pink color. Your favorite color, right? No, John, why you say always? Pink is not my favorite color. But that is gold color. How the color could be gold color? So what is the boy color, John? Boy color is black. Oh, so boy color is black and girl's color is pink? Yes, you can say.